I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Equinox with a key. First, locate the hidden physical key within your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is your primary backup for gaining entry. We'll cover how to properly extract it and where to insert it into your vehicle's door lock. This guide ensures you're never locked out, even if your remote isn't working. Let's get started with the basics of key access. Once you've retrieved the physical key from your fob, head to the driver's side door. You'll find a small keyhole, often discreetly placed, near the door handle. Insert the key fully into this cylinder. Gently turn the key clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. You should feel the lock mechanism engage and the door will unlock. This manual method is reliable and doesn't depend on battery power. If your key fob battery is completely dead, don't panic. The physical key is designed specifically for this situation. It operates independently of the fob's electronics, ensuring you can always get into your Equinox. Remember, even if your remote buttons aren't responding, the hidden key is your reliable backup. This simple mechanical solution is a lifesaver when technology fails, providing peace of mind. For some Chevy Equinox models, the keyhole might be subtly hidden behind a small cap on the door handle. If you're having trouble locating it, consult your owner's manual for precise instructions and diagrams. It's always a good idea to practice using your physical key once or twice, so you're prepared for any situation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Knowing these tips ensures you're always ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.